Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back with me. I am Rafida Fitriana, my student number 20612101. I am going to presenting about resume material intermediate English grammar. My lecturer is Miss Lily Istiqomah MHUM MPD. Let's watch together and enjoy it. The materials. The first is noun phrase. The second is adjective phrase. The third is verb phrase. The fourth is adverb phrase. The fifth is infinitive phrase. The sixth is gerund phrase. First, noun phrase. What is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is a group of two or more words headed by a noun that includes modifier like adjective, adverb, noun, gerund, participle, adjective phrase, infinitive phrase, participle phrase, prepositional phrase, and adjective clause. And noun phrase can be formed by the following patterns. Jadi, noun phrase adalah gabungan dari dua kata atau lebih yang di dalamnya terdapat modifier seperti adjective, adverb, noun, gerund, participle, adjective phrase, infinitive phrase, participle phrase, prepositional phrase, dan adjective clause. Dan di situ ada banyak rumus atau strukturnya. Yang kedua, what is the function of noun phrase? Like any noun, a noun phrase can function as a subject, an object, or a complement within a sentence. Jadi, fungsi dari noun phrase hampir mirip dengan noun yang berfungsi sebagai subjek, objek, atau complement dalam suatu kalimat. 3. Single modifier. A. Adjective plus noun. A. Article plus noun. For example, the book is yours. B. Possessive adjective plus noun. For example, his car is painted. C. Demonstrative adjective plus noun. For example, the thief steals the car. D. Number plus noun. 1. Definite number. 4 houses will be renovated. 2. Indefinite number. Some people joined the meeting. A. Condition plus noun. For example, I see a big man. Yang ketiga ada single pre-modifier, yang di situ sudah terdapat pattern adjective plus noun yang meliputi article plus noun and example-nya, terus possessive adjective plus noun dan example-nya, terus demonstrative adjective plus noun dan example-nya, number plus noun yang dibagi menjadi dua, definite number dan indefinite number beserta contohnya, dan yang terakhir ada condition plus noun dan contohnya. Contoh-contoh itu yang telah digarisbawahi. Next, B. Adverb plus noun. 1. Gerund plus noun. The living room should be cleaned. 2. Participle plus noun. 1. Present participle plus noun. For example, the running kid is my daughter. 2. Past participle plus noun. Spoiled food needs to be repaired. 3. Noun plus noun. Ahmad writers grammar book of English. Yang B ada adverb plus noun. Kemudian ada dua bagian dari itu. Yang pertama adalah gerund plus noun dan contohnya. Dan yang kedua ada participle plus noun. Participle dibagi menjadi tiga: present participle plus noun, past participle plus noun, and noun plus noun. Beserta contohnya. For the combined pre-modifier, A. Adjective plus noun plus noun. For example, a good Japanese food usually uses much chili. B. Adjective plus gerund plus noun. For example, the best swimming pool comes from French. C. Adjective plus present participle plus noun. For example, a good-looking woman calls me. D. Adjective plus adverb plus participle plus noun. Those rapidly growing kids always fight. A. Adjective plus noun plus adjective plus noun. For example, everybody knows the dangerous Balinese black magic. F. Adjective plus adverb plus participle plus gerund plus noun. For example, I look those very well designed dining rooms. G. Adverb plus past participle plus adjective plus noun. For example, a very expanded agricultural production is found in recent years. Jadi ada 7 patterns di the combined pre-modifier dan contoh-contohnya bisa diperhatikan. 5. Single pre-modifier. A. Noun plus adjective. Example, we want something else. B. Noun plus adjective phrase. Example, the boat available in the harbor is only one. C. Noun plus infinitive phrase. Example, I don't have money to pay the book. D. Noun plus participle phrase. Example, I don't like the boat painted red. A. Noun plus prepositional phrase. Example, Jen takes the boat in the harbor. F. Noun plus adjective phrase. Example, Jason will paint the boat which is painted red. Jadi yang kelima, pattern dari single pre-modifier ada 6, yaitu noun plus adjective dan contohnya, noun plus adjective phrase dan contohnya, noun plus infinitive phrase dan contohnya, noun plus participle phrase dan contohnya, noun plus prepositional phrase dan contohnya, noun plus adjective phrase dan contohnya. 6. The combined post modifiers. 1. Noun plus past participle plus prepositional phrase. Example, the photo printed by Tom in my studio yours. 2. Noun plus present participle plus prepositional phrase. Example, the baby crying on the bed is my nephew. 3. Noun plus adjective phrase plus prepositional phrase. Example, the boat which is available in the harbor costs very high. Yang keenam ada the combined post modifier yang terdiri dari 3 pattern. Yang pertama, noun plus past participle plus prepositional phrase. Contohnya, the photo sebagai noun, past participle-nya printed, prepositional phrase-nya by Tom in my studio yours, itu. Yang kedua ada noun plus present participle plus prepositional phrase. For example-nya, the baby crying on the bed is my nephew. 3. Noun plus adjective phrase plus prepositional phrase. Contohnya ada the boat which is available in the harbor costs very high. 2. Adjective phrase. What is adjective phrase? Adjective phrases are defined as phrases in which an adjective functions as the head of phrase. The adjective in an adjective phrase can appear at the start end or middle of the phrase. The adjective phrase can be placed before or after the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Jadi adjective phrase adalah frasa kata sifat yang berfungsi sebagai head, kemudian dapat terletak di awal, di tengah maupun di akhir frasa itu, dan biasanya terletak sebelum ataupun sesudah noun dan pronoun dalam suatu kalimat. 2. The pattern and example. A. Subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. Example, the heart is light brown. B. Subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. For example, the car is truly expensive. C. Subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. For example, the house looks big enough. Pattern yang pertama ada subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. Adjective phrase-nya berupa adjective plus adjective, yaitu like brown. Like adjective, brown adjective. Yang kedua ada subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. Adjective phrase-nya berupa adverb plus adjective. Contohnya truly expensive. Truly sebagai adverb dan expensive sebagai adjective. Yang ketiga ada subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. Adjective phrase-nya berupa adjective plus adverb. Contohnya big enough, big sebagai adjective dan enough sebagai adverb. 3. Verb phrase. What is a verb phrase? A verb phrase is the portion of a sentence that contains both the verb and either a direct or indirect object. The verbs depend. Verbs are words that demonstrate an action, such as sing, dance, smell, talk, and eat. When combined with linking verbs such as is, must, will, and has, they form verb phrase. Jadi verb phrase adalah kata kerja atau verb yang kemudian diikuti linking verb seperti is, must, will, and has. Kemudian verbnya biasanya berbentuk action seperti sing, dance, smell, and talk, dan menjadi satu kalimat yang dinamakan verb phrase. 2. Example. 1. We are here. 2. We were logging. 3. They have enjoyed themselves. 4. They will come. 5. He had been singing. 4. Adverb phrase. What is an adverb phrase? An adverb phrase is a prepositional phrase that modifies a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Like an adverb tells how, when, where, or to what degree. An adverb phrase can come anywhere in the sentence. Jadi, adverb phrase adalah prepositional phrase yang terdiri dari modifier seperti verb, adjective, atau adverb sendiri. Dan adverb itu biasanya menceritakan atau menjelaskan tentang bagaimana, di mana, kapan, atau tentang tingkatan. Dan biasanya terletak di mana saja dalam suatu kalimat. Bisa di tengah, bisa di akhir, ataupun bisa di awal. 2. Patterns and example. A. Adverb phrase plus verbs. Example. Children grow up really quickly. B. Adverb phrase plus be. Example, I'm upstairs, I'll only be a minute. C. Adverb phrase plus adjective or adverbs. For example, I found it extremely difficult to talk to her. D. Adverb phrase plus other phrase. Example, that's quite a tree. A. Adverb phrase plus determiners. Example, only half of my friend could come to my party. Jadi, di sini ada contoh dan rumusnya, patterns-nya. Ada adverb phrase plus verbs, ada adverb phrase plus be, ada adverb phrase plus adjective, ada adverb phrase plus other phrase, ada adverb phrase plus determiner. 5. Infinitive phrase. What is an infinitive phrase? An infinitive phrase is a group of words that uses an infinitive, to plus verb. An infinitive is a verbal, a word that expresses an action. So, an infinitive phrase has the same role of expressing action in a sentence. An infinitive phrase is the infinitive form of a verb plus any complement and modifier. Jadi, infinitive phrase adalah kelompok kata yang menggunakan infinitive, to plus verb, kemudian diikuti oleh complements dan modifier. 2. Kinds and example. 1. As a subject. For example, to take care of young students is a big challenge for a new teacher. 2. As an object. Example, she always wants to be sure. 3. As a complement. For example, the dream of many businessmen is to live a simple life without competition. Jadi, yang jenis pertama ada as a subject, sebagai subjek, yaitu to take care of young students. Yang kedua ada sebagai objek, contohnya to be sure. Yang ketiga ada as a complement, sebagai complement, contohnya to live a simple life. 4. Modified to show purpose. Example, to take care of young students, you should study primary education. Yang keempat ada sebagai modifier to show purpose, contohnya itu tadi. 5. Modifying an adjective, contohnya, it is possible to live a simple life. Yang keenam ada modifying an adverb, contohnya, we gathered in the park to clean up after the Founders Day picnic. Yang keenam ada modifying an adverb, contohnya itu tadi. Yang ketujuh ada modifying a noun, contohnya, after retirement from business, I have a plan to live a simple life. 6. Gerund phrase. What is a gerund phrase? A gerund phrase is a phrase consisting of a gerund and any modifiers or object associated with it. A gerund is a noun made from a verb root plus ing or a present participle. A gerund phrase is a phrase that consists of a gerund, its object, and any modifier. Jadi, gerund phrase adalah frasa yang terdiri dari gerund dan modifier atau objek yang membentuknya. Kemudian, cara membuat gerund adalah verb root plus ing, seperti present participle, dan gerund terdiri dari gerund, objek, dan modifiers. 2. Examples. Removing the dressing quickly is the best way. Gerundnya removing, direct objeknya the dressing, modifiernya quickly. Kemudian contoh kedua, moving quickly is the key to survival. Caranya moving, modifiernya quickly. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching my video. I'm so apologize if make a mistake. Thank you so much, and Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.